So the probabilistic snowfall experiment is something that we're trying this winter along with 44 other offices across the country. Instead of just getting a single forecast that calls for, say, 6 inches of snow, we're also going to provide a range of possibilities. So you will still get that most likely forecast, but it's going to come along with the potential for X amount, and then the expect at least at this X amount. And so it's this range of possibilities. So meteorology is not a perfect science, and so there's a lot of factors that play into a snowstorm. We're trying to account for that and show what's possible. And so, for instance, with this past system that we had in the later part of November, we had some rain that came across the eastern part of the state because of some warm air that came in, whereas off to the west it was all snow, and so the snowfall totals ended up kind of adjusting to that. You know, if you have warmer air, more rain, less snowfall totals as a result. And so now, with this probabilistic snowfall forecast, you'll be able to kind of see, well, what's our confidence? What are some of these factors that could come into play that would impact either giving you more snow or less snow than what you would have typically. This went live on December 1st, and so it's available to anybody to go to and see and to check out. We want you to see what the range of possibilities are for every snow system. You can find it on www.weather.gov/abr/winter, and you'll find again 3 maps. So the one in the middle is the most likely snowfall. That's kind of our official forecast, our best guess. But then on the left you'll have another map that's the expect at least this much. And so although it's possible for there to be lesser amounts than this, there's only about a 10% chance that it will be less than this. So the odds are that you'll get at least, in this case for our snow system this weekend, at least 1 inch in Aberdeen. And then on the other end of the spectrum you have the potential for this much, and that's kind of the maximum that you can expect. And again, it's still possible that you could get more, but very slight chance, only about a 10% chance. So in this case, maximum for this system is about 4 in Aberdeen. And then if you scroll further down on the page, you'll find more information, more probability information. So that's kind of the trend, or the change that we're doing here, is we're going from deterministic, which is that single forecast amount, to these probabilities. So for this weekend as an example, if you scroll across, we have the probability displayed on the map of how much of what the chance is of getting 1/10 of an inch, 2 inches, 4 inches. And so then if you're an organization or a business that has these thresholds, you can go here and figure out, well, what are the chances that I'll have to take action based on this forecast.